Sawadee ka. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Sai here, and today we are going to make steamed fish with soy sauce. If you come to Thailand before, there's two dishes of steamed fish that is very popular. First one is steamed with lamb soup and soy sauce. A lot of people haven't tried soy sauce. I think this is be a good opportunity to show you guys how to cook, and maybe just in case if you come to Thailand, don't forget to order this dish. Who knows, this might be one of your favorite dish in the future. Before we look at the ingredient, I want to take you to the market this morning and see what we get. Good morning, it's so early in the morning, 7 a.m. and we're gonna get some ingredient for making steamed fish with soy sauce today. Let's go see if we can find barramundi. We got tilapia, but we'll see if we can find barramundi because that one is good. This one, small one. ปลากระเอาปลา2ตัวค่ะโลเท่าไหร่คะ160ค่ะ160นะคะ160 baht per kilo, and I got two of them. พี่ช่วยพี่ This one my cat like this. เอาอันนี้ให้ตัวหนึ่งค่ะจ้ะเอาตัวใหญ่สุดเนี่ยค่ะThis one for my cat. They like this fish. We got chickens over here. My mom ordered some chicken, but we're gonna get that for her later. Now we are on the way to buy some dry shiitake mushroom. Shiitake. Dry shiitake. อันนี้ถุงเท่าไหร่คะถุงค่ะ20 baht. 20 baht. And then we're gonna get some vegetable, which is dry ginger and some spring onion. ต้นหอมแล้วก็พริกอันนั้น2 เม็ดค่ะขึ้นช่ายด้วยค่ะกำหนึ่ง Come have a look at the old ginger. In the market here, like they come and they sell by kilo, by grams. I think I'm gonna pick this one. This is enough. Yeah? All of that is 30 baht. Back to the house. Let's see all the ingredients we got today. And for the fish today, we got barramundi. This one about 1 kilo, and I'm already cleaned them. Take all the skin out, all the organ, and now I'm gonna show you how to cut this one. I already cut this one. I'm gonna show you how. So it's very easy. You just put the knife straight right in and rotate your knife to like 45 degrees, just like that. Don't mind the fly. 45 degree. Watch your finger though. 45 degree. And this fish is already been cleaned. Now, if you don't want it to be fishy, this is nice water with spring onion, with some ginger and some salt. We're gonna soak there for 10 minutes to stop them from turning fishy. And meanwhile, while we're doing that, we're going to prep some vegetables. We're gonna tear it to little pieces. So let's do that. Outfit today. So cute. I bought this dress for like a while ago, but I didn't wear it because I was fat. Now I lost weight. Now I want to wear this one. Nice and cute. So let's get our pepper. I'm gonna shred them very, very tiny. Very tiny. The knife is so sharp. This is how small all I can do. Like this, and soak them into this cold water. Nice cold water. Soak them in there, and some ginger. Soak them in here to prevent them and turn into like bitter, and some spring onion. tear them into like a little pieces like this, like long, thin. In this step, you can do both way. You can either stir fry with an oils on the pan, or you making like heating up the oil till like it's like smoking hot, and then put these vegetables on top of the fish, and then drizzle the hot oil on top of that vegetables. I'll show you how. And this one is celery. Celery, you gotta smash it first. Smash it like that. And again with your finger, tear it to like little pieces. Soak it in the water. Okay, now it's time to put the fish onto the steam. We got 2 big steam over here, it's very huge. So we're gonna put our fish onto the plate. Ooh. And we're gonna put ginger in there to prevent it turning fishy. And the second one is here. Oh, you can apply your fish with an oils. I'll show you to do that. You can add a spring onion in here too. And this is the oil. Don't mind me, I'm using finger. My hand are clean. Like that. This is the oil mixed with sesame oil. Cooking oil mixed with sesame oil. Like that. Ooh, smells so nice already. So let's go put that on the steam. Okay. We need to steam them in a very boiling hot water. It's very good for the fish. It's gonna not be fishy, and it's gonna make the meat of the fish like pop. Alright, we're gonna boil them for 15 minutes. This is dry shiitake mushroom. Soak that in warm water and then rinse the water out, and then stir fry with oil in the pan, and then topping on your fish just like that. It has been 10 minutes. Normally just 7 minutes is fine. It's small fish. It have been 10 minutes. We're gonna check, and the fish is already cooked. So we put this pot down carefully, and then we're gonna stir fry the vegetable that used for topping the fish. You can do it both way. Rinse this water out and just like fresh vegetables and put on top of the fish and heating up the oil, or you can do like this, like stir fry with the oil and then add the vegetable. Just saute it a little bit, not overcook it too much. Done. Now to make the sauce, we're not gonna put the wok on the fire right away. Just gonna put it out, add some soy sauce, and there's a Chinese wine over here. Mix that together, all together. And sugar, oatmeal. And it's gotta be caramel. It's gonna be brown sugar, not other sugar, not white sugar. Brown sugar, get more nice smell to it. Okay, now we're gonna heat this up on the stove until the sugar dissolves and the alcohol is dissolved. Good, good, good. sauce is ready. Our fish is cooked. Now you can drain this the soup that in the fish release, but I'm gonna mix this one into the sauce. Mix that in there. That's all the good stuff. Come on, mix it. Gonna add a little bit of the water in there, and this is the vegetable that we prepare. We're gonna put that on topping like that. Look how beautiful that is. Put it on this one too. Wow, look at that, beautiful. Now this is our star, the sauce. Drizzle that in on the fish. Taste. I taste the soup so far. I didn't like how the soup turned out, too salty. But let's see if with the fish is good or not. Look at that. My God, it's so, the texture itself is so good. Oh, hungry. Oh wow. You know what? It's so good. Like, I thought it's gonna be like too salty because I taste the sauce itself. It's too salty. But then with the fish, one more bite. The vegetables still like so crispy. I'll try with the mushroom. Very good. Wow. I give this one 9.8 out of 10. Okay guys, that was unexpected. I thought it was like this is gonna be bad because I taste the sauce and it's like too salty. Add more water, still salty. But overall, when I put with the fish, it turned out amazing. Okay guys, I'm gonna wrap up this video. If you like this type of video, don't forget to like, subscribe. There are more coming about me cooking in my house, cooking more Thai food. And I'm gonna take you to the market, see all the different things, and we're gonna go to the night market. So if you want to see that, don't forget to subscribe. And for this recipe, it's under the description. Until next time, thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.